Do you like watching anime? I love the energy and the action and the fun characters of anime. I want to draw one with you. I'll also show you some of the techniques and characteristics that are common in anime characters, so you can draw your own. First, let's use a blue pencil to kind of rough in the basic shapes. First, let's draw a circle near the lower part of your page. About this size. Okay? There we go. Next, we're going to draw the sides of his head. And they're going to be slightly angled. Not straight up and down like this, but slightly angled out. Just below this circle, we're going to draw a little chin. And then we're going to connect these sides to the chin. Let's draw a line right in the middle of that circle. This will be the eye line. Below the eye line will be the nose. And then the nose, below the nose is going to be the mouth. And I'm just going to create just a smirk like this. And then he's doing this. Like that. The nose is really simple. Just two little marks like that in a V shape. Nostrils. Most of the personality of an anime character comes from the eyes. And that's what's really fun. So just below this halfway line, I'm going to create a very subtle arch like this. In between, right in between the nose, I will draw a very, very subtle line too. This is the center of its face. Now about here and here will be the inside of his eyes. Another thing that makes anime characters different is that they have an angled eye like this. I'm going to draw an angle like this and like this. Right now it kind of looks evil, but it's not. The bottom of the eye follows this lower arch, like this. And then it goes up like this. The inside goes up and then over. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Follow the arch, go up to the diagonal, and then do the same thing here. Up and over. They kind of look like leaves. Let's draw a circle that's nestled right in between where it touches here and touches here. Draw a circle. And then draw a pupil. Small pupil. And when the pupils are really, really small, it's kind of like a symbol or an expression of excitement and intensity. When irises are really, really big, it's usually dark and kind of sleepy. So you can see that this person is really, really excited. Let's draw a highlight, tiny light circle right by the pupil. And then we'll draw the highlight of the iris. And that is right here, a circle right through the pupil. Same thing on the other side. So a circle. Pupil. Highlight. And then other highlight. Now, the next thing we're going to do is draw a headband. So a big curve from here to here. And from the top of his head, down here, We go from top of his head, just curve it like this. So it's really, really fat in the middle of that headband. Above his eyes, we'll draw an emblem. The sides of the emblem. Then echoing the bottom, let's draw the bottom of the emblem. And we'll do the same thing with the top, echoing the top. One of my favorite characters is Naruto. And he has a spiral shaped thing right here. So put your pencil right in the middle of the little emblem here, and we'll start going around and up. There's a little, like a bird beak right here. There's 3 grommets on each side. So draw 3 grommets, 1, 2, 3. He has sideburns. Let's put a little corner right here like that. Another corner like that. Let's draw some ears. From where the headband touches to about where the nose is. Just draw some small ears. Thicker in the middle, and they taper on the top and the bottom. About here. And I love, so start with that in the middle of the ear, come down around, and then up. It's kind of like a fish hook. Same thing on the other side. Go out, down, up, and around. And then this side, up and down. Up and down, up and down. Pretty fun so far, huh? Next part, we're going to draw 2 arches. The first one is going to come from the headband, or just around above the ears, and we'll draw a circle, kind of like. See that? So draw like the rest of his head, sort of like this. And then, from the bottom of his ears, and then about the same thickness again, right up here, we're going to draw another circle, like this. Lightly. Okay? So right now it kind of looks like he's got a big afro or something like that. Okay? But we're going to do something really, really fun. We're going to begin by taking a point from his ear and go out to here on each side. And then we're going to draw a line, a zigzag line, to the inside shape here. And then out, in, out, in. Oh, can you see it come together? Now let's start on this side. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. And that's how you draw that really cool spiky hairdo. And of course, we're not going to draw these construction lines in there. Alrighty? Another thing that's really, really common in characters like this is this part of the eye lid is really dark. So let's darken that in. And give him some eyebrows that come up behind the headband. And if this is Naruto, he has some whiskers. So let's create little curves here on his cheeks. And we'll do one in the middle, one on the top, and one low. And then he has kind of like little sideburns like here. Boom, boom, like a little zigzag below his jaw. Well, let's lock in all the details with a black pencil. And that's how you draw Naruto and other anime type characters. I hope you had fun drawing with me. Be sure to practice a lot. Download my free tutorial at sketch-e.com. It'll teach you how to draw circles and lines a lot better, and the appropriate technique that pros use. If you want to be a professional, you'll have to try those out. Anyway, be sure to subscribe so you can see all my great videos, and see you later. Bye!